Hi, I'm Linda Wong, and I am so excited to be sharing some amazing tips with you. I've been with the industry for 11 years now. I started off in the haunted house industry doing horror, and that was such a fun way to get my feet wet into makeup. I also specialize in airbrushing and body painting. But lately, these days, I've been more focused on portrait work, working with photographers in boudoir and headshots. I also do commercial and film as well. It's been an exciting career, and just to see it transform and grow over the years and really focusing on the business side, it's a lot of work. But I'm really happy and excited to be living my dream and following my passions and just getting colorful and creative. I'm so excited to show you some new tricks, maybe that you've never seen before, and just show you things that I've learned just from being on the job, because that's a big part of what you learn.